Here is exactly how to create a smooth zoom effect in Capcut Desktop. Select your clip and put it in the timeline. Drag your video onto the track to get started. Set the position where the zoom starts. Move the playhead to the exact moment you want the zoom to begin. Open the Settings panel. Go to the top right Video Setting panel. Under the Basic tab, find the Scale and Position options. Set your starting keyframes. Click the diamond icon next to Scale and the diamond next to Position. This locks in your starting point. Set the end point. Move the playhead further down the timeline to where you want the zoom to finish. Adjust the zoom and position. In the panel, increase the scale value to zoom in. You can also click and drag the video directly in the preview window to center the frame. Capcut will automatically create the end keyframes for you. Check your work. Play the clip from the beginning to see the smooth animation. And that's it. If you found this helpful, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.